Salt water.
Compliant fire pit area, and then the other side is just a regular fire pit area. Of course, we've got the 2 grills on our patio. About a month ago, our guests wouldn't have been able to drink beer out here, but we got the chains up there just to kind of provide a little bit of separation, so our guests can now come out here. Yeah. So we do got some grill kits that you can reserve if you're wanting to use the grill area. But it's really just kind of first come, first serve.
Pink studio. So this is the studio. So there's not a bedroom door that closes. And then the only difference between this and the efficiency is not this. Stand-up shower.
Oh yeah.
Church space. Oh, that's very deep. Elbow, almost. Very deep.
It is.
Tons of storage. This is a great extended day, especially for those coming on post. Burner, full-size fridge.
So basically how this system will work is they'll have to come up to the front desk, show their ID, and that's how we verify your age. So we'll have to input their age into the system, we give them a pay card, they can load, say more than $30, $30 for a day would be fine. They can come over here, tap their card on the little reader, pour themselves up to 32 ounces of alcohol. It will cut them off at 32 ounces. They'll have to go back up to the front desk and re-register. And the system does have an option for us to do a happy hour as well. So for our social hour, let's say, we can just pull the tab and it won't turn. Yeah. Yeah. A lot of people go home for the weekend and then return the beginning of the week. So the idea behind this is that they'll leave their belongings behind in a locker, and then when they return, it's ready for them.
So is that the locker?
It is. Now, the strange thing about this, we have not used this yet because 1, they don't have handles, and 2, they're not lockable. So,
okay.
that is something that they missed in the building process, and that's something we will eventually have to address. But the brand just didn't really know what they were going to do with this space when they first introduced it. So we were kind of the prototype.
And that's brand new. I haven't seen that in any Homewood Suites.
So we can report back like the things that are a little bit wonky about it, and then they can make changes. Yeah.
Which you need to be able to lock.
Yes. Yeah. Their room key would be the best option. So like the RFID, like that on that door would be perfect.
So would they be able to keep their same room then when they come back? Because you said their room key.
No, we would probably have to make a temporary key for them.
Yeah, just a locker key.
Yeah. Yes.
You've got extended stay.
Yeah,
I can see
if
they
you're going
might
home for a
have
weekend or so,
larger
for a
things
weekend and coming back.
instead of carrying things back and forth.
Absolutely.
We have had a lot of people do that. Because this is not securable, we've just been storing it in our back office
Right.
because that is lockable.
Yes.
Right.
So it takes up space, but you know, it is what it is. We'll report this back to the brand and hopefully they make some changes.